Hello, Frank George here with the coolest little tool that everyone will want this holiday season. Sturdy stainless steel multi-use Snowflake tool featuring 18 handy functional tools in this compact design. With so many uses, like the flathead, which is super useful and convenient. And it also serves as a box cutter. And the Phillips head screwdriver. It's great for all kinds of uses on your bike, for example. You'll love the bottle opener too. 6 size hex Allen wrenches come in the tool, as well as end wrenches. And the center slot is for tightening or loosening 9/16 nuts on one side and 1/2 inch on the other. It can be carried anywhere. It's only 2.3 ounces and 2 inches long. Perfect for your keychain, backpack. This is a gift everyone will use and love, so get yours today.